Are you sure the things you do with your cat every single day are actually building trust and not slowly destroying it? Because most of what damages the bond between a cat and their owner does not look like damage at all. It looks completely normal. It looks like affection. And that is exactly what makes these mistakes so hard to catch. Most owners are making at least a few of them right now without even realizing it. 1. Waking them up just because you want to cuddle. Have you ever watched your cat sleeping and just could not stop yourself from reaching out? Of course you have. We all have. They look so soft and peaceful that keeping your hands to yourself feels almost impossible. So you pet them, you scoop them up, and they give you that slow blink of mild irritation before drifting back off. No harm done, right? Not quite. Cats sleep between 12 and 16 hours a day. And that is not them being lazy. That is a biological requirement. Their sleep is directly connected to nervous system regulation, immune health, and emotional balance. When you interrupt that repeatedly, you are introducing a small but constant source of stress into their daily routine. Your cat begins to learn that resting near you is not actually safe. That being close to you carries the risk of being disturbed. So gradually, they stop choosing the spot beside you on the couch. They find a quieter corner, a room you are not in. If your cat is sleeping and you want to connect, wait. Let them come to you when they wake up on their own. Be the person they associate with peace and safety. That is the kind of presence that makes a cat choose you every single time. 2. Skipping the litter box even for just one day. When did you last clean your cat's litter box? Be honest. Because to you, skipping a day might feel like nothing. Life is busy, you will handle it tomorrow. But to your cat, that box is their bathroom, their private space, the one place in the entire home where they feel completely in control. And when it is dirty, that sense of control vanishes. Cats are wired for cleanliness in a way that runs much deeper than simple preference. In the wild, a dirty elimination site is a survival risk. It attracts predators. It signals weakness. That instinct does not disappear just because they live inside your home. So when the litter box gets neglected, their stress climbs, and that stress has to go somewhere. Sometimes it goes to the corner of your bedroom. Sometimes it goes to the couch, but it always goes somewhere. That stress also bleeds into how your cat feels about their entire environment, including you. You are the one managing their world. When their world feels dirty or unsafe, you become associated with that feeling. Scoop once a day at minimum, full clean once a week. It takes 4 minutes, and it tells your cat that you are paying attention, that you are someone they can count on. And hey, if this is already making you see things differently, hit like and subscribe so we can reach more owners before these mistakes quietly cost them something they cannot get back. 3. Using your hands as toys during playtime. Have you ever let your cat bite or swat at your fingers and just laughed it off? Almost every cat owner has been there. It feels playful and harmless, even adorable when they are small. But what you are actually doing is teaching your cat that your hands are prey. And once that lesson is learned, it is very hard to unlearn. Here is what is happening inside your cat's brain. The moment you wiggle your fingers and they pounce, their predatory instinct switches on completely. Every time you allow it, that connection gets reinforced. Hands equal target, hands equal chase, and that is how you end up with a cat that bites too hard out of nowhere. The fix is simple. Use a toy. A feather wand, a string, anything that puts distance between your skin and their instincts. Your hands need to stay the safe thing in their world. And speaking of habits we fall into without thinking, there is one coming up later in this video that is even more damaging than this one. Most owners do it multiple times every single day. Before your cat starts registering you as a threat, stay with us, because that one is going to change how you see everything. 4. Rearranging their space without any warning. Have you ever moved the furniture around and then noticed your cat acting off for days? That is not your cat being dramatic. That is your cat experiencing something genuinely upsetting. Here is what most people miss. Cats do not experience their home the way you do. You see furniture, they see a map. Every single piece of that environment is mentally recorded. The escape routes, the safe zones, the high spots, the hiding places. They know exactly where everything is and what it means for their safety. When you rearrange a room overnight, that map is gone. And your cat has to rebuild it from zero while managing the anxiety of not knowing whether their environment is still safe. Research on feline stress shows that environmental unpredictability is one of the leading triggers of anxiety in domestic cats. If you need to make changes, do it slowly. Give them time to investigate on their own terms. Let them feel like they have some control over what happens in their space. 5. Rushing introductions to new people or pets. Have you ever brought someone new home and immediately let them walk straight up to your cat? A new partner, a friend, a baby, another pet. You assumed your cat would just figure it out, but your cat was already running a completely different calculation. Cats are not socially wired the way dogs are. They do not default to trust. Every new presence in their environment is a potential threat until they decide otherwise, and that process happens on their timeline, not yours. When you force or rush that introduction, you are overriding your cat's entire threat assessment system, and the message they take away is not that this new person is safe. The message is that you do not care that they are scared. Research on feline social behavior shows that cats given gradual and controlled introductions form significantly stronger and more lasting bonds, both with the new addition and with their primary owner. Let your cat observe from a distance first. No forcing, no cornering, no picking them up and handing them over. Let them approach when they are ready. It might take days. It might take weeks. But the trust they build through that process is rock solid. 6. Missing the warning signs they give you. Remember at the start of this video when we said there was one habit that almost every cat owner does multiple times a day without realizing it. This is it. It is the moment your cat tells you they have had enough and you do not even notice. The flattened ears, the tail flicking low and slow, the skin rippling along their back, the subtle shift of their body weight away from you. Your cat is communicating in the only language available to them. And when you keep petting, keep holding, keep pushing past those signals, the message they receive is clear. You are not listening. For an animal that cannot speak, being consistently ignored when they are communicating is not just frustrating. It is the single fastest way to destroy whatever trust they have built with you. Because trust for a cat is not built on love alone. It is built on feeling understood. A 2020 study published in Scientific Reports found that cats are highly attuned to how responsive their owners are. Cats whose owners consistently picked up on their signals showed significantly lower stress levels and significantly stronger social bonds. The ones whose signals were ignored showed the complete opposite. Your cat is talking to you every single day through the way they hold their tail, the position of their ears, the rhythm of their breathing, the direction they turn their head. Learn that language and everything between you shifts. Ignore it and no amount of love will ever fill the gap it leaves behind.